Robert, this is Michael from Bob Pulte Chevrolet. Thank you for your interest in our 2016 two-wheel drive Colorado work truck. I'm going to walk around, pick the vehicle apart. I know you're in Virginia. We have sold to people in, I've lost track, it's 27, 28 states the last 3 years. So I'm going to pick this thing apart, and from there I want it to be, if you do buy the vehicle, I want it to exceed expectations versus over-promising and under-delivering. For everybody else, this is a 2016 Colorado, 74,649 miles, if I saw correctly on the gauge there when I pulled the truck back out. Asking price is $18,500. I will have a link below for more information. Let's get started, Robert. Okay, first thing that jumps out at me, little parking by touch action here. Actually, I don't even know if that's parking by touch. That could have been a jack wagon at a, whatever you guys have, Kroger or Walmart or wherever you do your shopping. Got a little action there. Gosh, I know. How did I forget this blue color? It is sparkling in the sun today. Get a little, I have a few spots here. Nothing severe. And we're getting more pollen, different things coming off the trees, their last gasp here. So I'm trying to get a feel for if I see any scratches. So overall, you got a couple scuffs, bigger scuffs on the front there, and just this one, first one I pointed out is the biggest one. You got a scratch right there. So rims, tires are seem to be in pretty good shape. No rust so far, which is always a good sign. I don't remember any from when this first came in, but as my better half points out, my memory's terrible, so we're not going to go off of that. Not even sure what that is. Must have been a scratch or nick, or scratch. Do have tiny little tear there in the seat. A few more spots there. Scuff action right here. Bed liner's actually in better shape than I would have expected. So it looks like this person did use it as advertised as a work truck. Got a folded cover there. Scuff right there. Once again, tires look like they're in pretty good shape. Actually, that would come off. I don't know what that, some kind of little resin. Oh gosh, remind me to wash my hands. I think that was bird dropping that I just put on. Okay, a little nick there. Nothing surprising so far. Kind of what I would expect for a 7 model year old, 74 something thousand mile work truck. Little scratch there. They definitely missed the keyhole on that one. I don't know if that's showing up very well. There we go. No rust once again, always important. Driver's seat's in good shape. Let's try to get the back here as best I can. I'm old. Climbing into the back end is a challenge. Start this up. It does have a backup camera. Not a real big backup camera, but it does have it. I was off by a mile. It's 74,648 miles. No check engine lights. And our last thing that jumps out at me. Scuff action there. So overall, Robert, I would say I would call it good condition. I cannot give it my very good condition kind of seal of approval. Nothing on the truck, in my opinion, would keep me from getting it. No rust. Tires seem to be in pretty good shape. No check engine lights. Backup camera is fully functional. Overall, I would say a good truck. I will get this sent over to you. For everybody else that's going to see this on our YouTube channel, once again, 2016 two-wheel drive work truck, Colorado, 74,648 miles. Sale price is $18,500. I will have a link in the description below with more information. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call at 513-932-0303, or you can leave a question in the comments section and I will answer that to the best of my ability. Let's make sure the radio is working. Yep, radio works great. If you have any, like I said, leave a question in the comments section and I will answer it as quickly as possible. Thank you and have a great day.